Hey there YouTube, George here, hope you're well. I just said I'd come back to you with a little update on the Android in the car, and I mentioned in the second video that I was getting some sort of weird interference when I was plugging in on either of the USB chargers, and I have cured it, and don't mind the gloves, I have stuff in my hands for my very poor skin, but however, what I done was it was actually this lead, the 3.5mm to 3.5mm 90 degree. It's unscreened, of course, because it was cheap. It was only a couple of quid. So what I done was I got a couple of the ferrite clamp-on ferrite. These are 31 mix ferrite material. Now, why have it wrapped? Well, two reasons. One, the cable was 1 meter long. Two, I had them, and every single wrap through one ferrite core is the equivalent of having 4 ferrite cores with the cable just running through it singly. So you can see there of what, maybe 5-6 wraps per ferrite. So it's choking off any interference on the line, and it works perfect now, and happy days. So now I can have it plugged in with the nice 90 degree USB job that I got. I'll just cut to that. So there it is now with the 90 degree USB lead in place, so it's all kind of nice and neat. Focus, you find camera. So the 90 degree 3.5mm, we just tuck that in a bit more so that it's not sticking out. That's better. So yeah, glad I got around that now, because it was a bit of a pain, you know, as I use it quite a bit. So you know, you kind of have to charge it depending if you're watching YouTube and doing a lot of stuff like that. It can eat the battery pretty quick, so nice to have the option to be able to charge it. As it was, you were getting like a weird interference on the lead, and it was sounding like one channel was dropping out. So that's all sorted out now, and yeah, looks good. So it's working well, and happy enough with the install, and yeah, it is what it is. So cheap in-car entertainment works well. So there you go. Just thought I'd give you that little update. So the interference was being picked up on the auxiliary cable, so easy fix with some ferrites. There you go. All the best, and we'll get you in the next one. This is George. Bye bye.